Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I recreated this beautiful sauce I made before now. If you have not watched this video, you're missing. This Xmas season, this festive season is a time to surprise your husband, your friend, your family with a different dish they have not tested. Yes, this beautiful sauce is given. The taste is amazing. No one will reject this. So feel free to go to my channel and check out my simple vegetable sauce video and enjoy this particular recipe. But today I'm recreating it. I start by washing my turkey, very neat. Onion, pepper, garlic and ginger. I add to my little blender, add little water to it, and I blend. If you're new to this channel, this is your first time of watching my video, you are welcome to Progressive Recipe. I cook, I bake, I decorate cakes, I do different lovely pastries I know you will love. Feel free to join this lovely family by subscribing. So after blending, I poured out my beautiful pepper sauce to the turkey. You can use chicken, you can use any meat of your choice. I sprinkle my seasoning cube, curry, thyme, salt. Feel free to add any spices of your choice, the one you're used to. Please feel free to add them all. Take your time to mix this together and you leave in the freezer to marinate. At least you can leave it a night before or at least 3 hours. I love beni, so I love adding it in my dishes, especially when I'm making sauce or when I'm making stew or jollof rice. Okay, straight to the freezer. So here are the vegetables I'll be using today, looking so fresh. Broccoli, oh my god, see, the nutritional value of broccoli is crazy. It's so amazing. Please check it out if you want to really know, but I bet you it has no taste, but you need to eat it for what it will give to you. That is just it. Okay, look at that lovely carrot. I couldn't resist the carrot. You can see me, I chop, I eat. As I'm chopping the carrot, I'm putting some in my mouth. Don't mind me. So chop your carrot the way you want. Like I said before, I'm recreating this sauce. If you have not watched the first one, go and watch. You will notice a little different. And again, in this particular one, I'm adding broccoli, but the design of the carrot, the green pepper is different here also. So after marinating my chicken for a while, in your pan, or you can use pan or you can use frying pan, add little oil, just sprinkle little oil, place your chicken. This is optional, but I just love that little bunny taste I get when I do this. Yes, it's not remorse. You can just cook your own direct without this. So I continue cutting the veggies. Feel free to choose your vegetables, to go with the ones you're used to, the ones you love, the ones you want. Yeah, you must not settle for this alone, but if you wish, it's still okay. Feel free to go ahead and do only this. It's okay, it's pretty good. So but feel free, the recipe allows more veggies as you want. As you can see, everything looks pretty okay and good. So back to our turkey. You can use chicken, you can use any meat of your choice. Stirring, turning a little before I turn over to my pot for the main thing. You can see how our turkey is looking now. So I poured inside the pot I'll be using. Yeah, look at that. I poured the little sauce in the bowl, add little water, and I allowed to boil. Look at that, pretty looking good. Please test if your seasonings are okay, fine. If they are not, please adjust. That is that. Okay, allowed to cook. When the taste is pretty good, go ahead and dissolve some corn flour. Yes, some corn flour. Yes, pour right inside to thicken up this. If you don't like corn flour, please blend some Irish potato and pour in for me. It will also thicken this. Beautiful. Pour in the onion, the spring onion, stir very, very well, and you taste. It's good to have this sauce hot, so make sure your pepper is really hot. If it's not hot, please add more. Add your carrots. First, you stir. This is the easiest, simplest sauce ever. So when we are talking about this vegetable sauce, everything needs to be fresh as you consume. So don't go and overcook your veggies. Pour your yellow pepper, red pepper, and green pepper right inside. Stir a little more, and you add in your soy sauce. Oh, this taste is amazing. A little soy sauce to stir very, very well. You go ahead and add the next veggie. That's the last one, the broccoli. Yes. Immediately you add the broccoli. In few seconds, cover in few seconds, you off that heat for me, please. Very, very important. I don't like it when the veggies are all dead. I love it looking fresh and yummy. That is that. Our sauce is ready. Wow. This is packed with different nutrients. Please feel free to try this. Subscribe to my channel, like, feel free to comment, feel free to ask questions. Please, if you're new to this channel, subscription is free. Just click on that subscribe button and join this lovely family. My sauce is ready. At this time, I have already offed my heat, so it's time to top in my husband's food. Thanks for watching. Bye.